Now third sum. A fez. Fez means that is the cap which is used by the Turks. Is shaped like the frustum of the cone. If its radius on the open side is 10 cm and the upper side is 4 cm, slant height is given 15 cm. To prepare such a measurement of that fez, how much material is needed, that we have to calculate. That is how much material, nothing but that is the TSA of a frustum of a cone. This is the fez which is that is the cap which is used by the Turks. This is the open surface. This is R1 equal to 10 cm he given. Another one that is the top, that is R2 equal to 4 cm. Slant height he given 15 cm. To prepare such a measurement cap, how much material will be required? So the material required is equal to TSA. The material required equal to TSA of frustum of cone. What is here? That is equal to CSA plus upper surface of the upper surface area of a circle. Area of circle, that is CSA nothing but pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Upper surface area of a circle, we know the formula pi r square. Pi r, this is R2 is it, so consider that is R2. This is pi value 22 by 7. R1 is 10, R2 is 4, slant height is 15, pi is 22 by 7, R2 square means 4 into 4, that is 22 by 7, 10 plus 4 is 14 into 15, now 22, 4 4s are 16 by 7, 7 1s are 7 2s are 22 2s are 44 into 15 plus 16 2s are 32, 16 2s are 32 plus 3 is 35 by 7, that is 15 4s are 60, 15 4s are 60 plus 6 is 66. Divide this 352 by 7 or take LCM, both the methods are same. Take LCM and also divide R, divide this and put the point 7, put the value 7 5s are 35, 0 0, take 2, 0 time, that is 2, put point, take 0, 7 2s are 14, 7 8s are 56, 50.28, that is equal to 710.28 centimeter square, or else you can write like this also 710 when you divide this, that is remainder also you can write, or else put it in the decimal, both the answers will be same.